I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool, which is typically already installed as an app in your PC computer. So to find it, you're going to click on the search button here and type in snip. Once that shows up, you're going to click on the app and it will open. Let's say I'm working on an application and this isn't the section I want to get a snippet from. I actually want to scroll down and perhaps I want this portion of the screen here only. I'm going to now select new, and when you move your mouse, the cursor is going to look like a plus sign. You're going to click and hold, and then you're going to drag while you're holding that mouse button down until you can see the portion that you want to capture. So this is the only section within the red box that I want to capture. Once I let go, now I can see in my snipping tool that section of my web page capture. And I can click on the Save button and save it to my computer, or I can copy it and paste that image into an email to share with somebody who may be helping me with troubleshooting a problem I'm having. And that's it. That's how you use the snipping tool.